Planning to take the SAP Certified Managing SAPS/4 HANA Cloud Public Edition Projects exam? Be careful. The new performance-based format doesn't just test what you know, it tests how you apply it. Many candidates study the theory but struggle when faced with real consulting decisions. In this video, you'll tackle realistic project scenarios, think like a consultant, and see how the new AI role-play assessment works. This certification focuses on managing SAPS/4 HANA Cloud Public Edition projects using the SAP Activate methodology. You'll be evaluated on stakeholder management, project risks, deployment decisions, and other real-world challenges. Just like in the actual exam, an AI stakeholder will question your recommendations as you work through business problems. Let's begin the simulation. Scenario 1. Project Kickoff and Implementation. Approach: AI stakeholder. Our company is moving from legacy systems to SAPS/4 HANA Cloud Public Edition. We want to go live within 6 months. As the project manager, what implementation approach would you recommend? Candidate response: I would recommend following the SAP Activate methodology. SAP Activate provides a structured implementation framework including discover, prepare, explore, realize, deploy, and run phases. Because the timeline is aggressive, Activate helps accelerate delivery through predefined best practices, ready-to-run business processes, and guided project governance. AI stakeholder: why not use a traditional waterfall project? Candidate response: a traditional waterfall approach increases project risk because business validation happens late. SAP Activate encourages early fit-to-standard workshops and iterative validation, allowing stakeholders to identify gaps sooner and reduce rework. Exam. Tip: SAP exam tasks often test your ability to justify implementation decisions, not simply identify terminology. Scenario 2. Fit-to-Standard Workshop Challenge. AI stakeholder. Business users want extensive customizations because their legacy processes are unique. How should you respond? Candidate response: first, I would conduct fit-to-standard workshops. The goal is to compare existing business processes with SAP standard processes before discussing customizations. SAPS/4 HANA Cloud. Public Edition promotes standardization wherever possible. AI stakeholder. The business insists customization is necessary. Candidate response: I would evaluate whether the requirement creates genuine business value. If the need can be met using configuration, SAP best practices should remain the preferred option. Excessive customization can increase costs, complexity, and future upgrade risks. Exam tip: expect SAP scenario-based questions where stakeholders challenge standard SAP recommendations. If you're preparing for the new SAP exam simulation format, practicing realistic scenarios is essential. Platforms like certshero.com provide AI role-play exercises, SAP hands-on practice, flashcards, and mock assessments designed around the latest SAP exam tasks. Scenario 3. Project Risk Management. AI stakeholder. Key business users are unavailable for workshops. The project timeline is now at risk. What would you do? Candidate response: I would immediately assess the impact on project milestones and document the issue within the project risk register. Next, I would engage project sponsors to secure stakeholder participation and evaluate mitigation strategies. AI stakeholder: why escalate so quickly? Candidate response: business involvement is critical to successful implementation. Delaying escalation may create larger schedule risks and affect downstream activities such as testing, training, and deployment. Exam. Tip: the SAP performance-based exam frequently evaluates project governance and risk management decisions. Scenario 4. Scope control. Decision. AI stakeholder. A department requests several new requirements halfway through implementation. What should happen? Candidate response: the requests should go through formal scope governance procedures. I would assess business value, implementation effort, project timeline impact, and resource availability before approval. AI stakeholder. Can we simply add them to keep the customer happy? Candidate response. Adding uncontrolled scope changes can create budget overruns and project delays. Proper change management protects project objectives while ensuring business priorities are evaluated appropriately. If you're preparing for the SAP Certified Managing SAP S/4 HANA Cloud Public Edition Projects exam, don't rely on theory alone. Practice realistic exam simulations and AI role-play scenarios to build real consulting confidence. Visit certshero.com for practice scenarios, flashcards, mock assessments, and exam prep resources. And check out our SAP certification playlist for more scenario-based training. Subscribe, keep practicing, and remember, passing the exam is important, but performing like a real SAP consultant is what truly matters.